Hello, my name is Frank Penn. I'm the manager of the graduate school EFI. EFI standing for Engineering and Innovation for Physical Science, High Technology and Cross-Disciplinary Research. ESFI is one of the three graduate schools of UBSC, our University of Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, and it is proposing actually 16 master degrees, all taught in English. And all the research activities is done in the 7 internationally renowned laboratories, which are FEMTOST, ICB, IMB, ICMUB, UTLAM, INVIA, and LLB. Okay. So before going into the details of what we propose at the master and PhD level, I will let you watch this small video presenting UBSC and its environment, and you'll be able to see the student residence, for example, as well as the research facilities. So I'll let you watch this video and I'll come back to you after. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed that video of promotion. What is important to know is that Bourgogne-Franche-Comté has a real industrial heritage with big internationally renowned companies. I have listed some of them on this slide, like Alstom, Bugatti, but you have also Peugeot or General Electric, which is at Belfort. Okay, so you have the industry which are implemented on this region, but you have also a lot of research activities which are done in big centers like the CERN or CEA, Center of Atomic Research. Okay. It's at the heart of Europe, so you're very close from Germany and Switzerland. And so here, just to present some of the big cities that are just, let's say, less than 2 hours and a half from the different campuses of UBFC. So you have, of course, Lyon, Metz, Frankfurt, all those cities which are Annecy, Strasbourg, all big cities which are very well known all around the world. The countryside is also very beautiful. Okay, so you have a beautiful landscape all around, and of course Bourgogne-Franche-Comté is very well known for its wine and also its cheese. Okay, the Comté. So this is where we are. So like I was saying to you, we're very close from the boundary of Germany and Switzerland. So at the center of Europe, more or less. You can go also to Italy quite easily. We have several international airports all around. Bâle in Switzerland is less than 2 hours from Besançon. Lyon is less than 2 hours from Dijon, so you can easily travel through Europe. It's also a region where the cost of living is not too expensive. We have around 800 euros is needed per month to live. So it includes the renting of the apartment, the food, the transport expenses, extra. And because we have been granted by the French government, thanks to our excellence in research, we can allow us to provide some scholarship, merit-based scholarship, up to 8,000 euros per year, covering thus all the expenses that you might have during your stay with us. Concerning the tuition fees for the university is ranging from 350 to 4,000 euros per year. This difference is depending actually on the policy of the universities, because up to now French universities were not making any difference between French students and international students, so they were paying the same price, so 350 euro per year. But the government has to apply some differentiate tuition fees, and up to now the presidents of our universities didn't apply it, so it's still 350. But in case the policy change, you'll be at 4,000 euro per year. So what is FE? FE is a graduate school, so proposing master and PhD studies. So it's a 2 to 5 years study program. Okay, it has actually 4 campuses. The main ones are those 4, so Besançon, Dijon, Belfort, and Montbéliard. This is a graduate school which is at UBSC, so University of Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, and this university is some kind of joint venture among all the universities and engineer schools of Bourgogne-Franche-Comté. So we have Université de Franche-Comté, Université de Bourgogne, UTBM, which is an engineer school, ENSEM also, and also one research center, which is the CNRS, Centre National de Recherche Scientifique in French. And all that gives you the environment, the academic and research environment in which you will work. All the research activities, like I said to you, is done in 7 laboratories that I will present to you later on. Okay. FE is standing for Engineering and Innovation through Physical Science, High Technology, and Cross-Disciplinary Research. So FE is actually proposing this multidisciplinary and multicultural environment to help students to face and answer to the societal challenges of tomorrow. In the health domain, for example, thanks to his research in biomedical engineering with nanotechnology, nanoscience, nanosystems, and nanoparticles research activities, facing the sustainable development challenges, the energetic transition, thanks to its research activities in fuel cell system or green buildings, environmental and climate change, principally structural health monitoring, industry of tomorrow, the 4.0 industry with additive manufacturing processes, mechatronics, 3D printings, research activities, trying to answer also the challenges of mobility with research in artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, the information also and numerical communication challenges, or the safety and security challenges, thanks to its research activities on atomic clocks, for example. To illustrate these interdisciplinary or cross-disciplinary research activities, I will let you watch a small video presenting one research department of the Graduate School EFI, the computer science department of FEMTO-ST, and you'll see through 2 or 3 examples the real interdisciplinarity of those research and the application in health science, mobility, or safety and security, some of the societal challenges I spoke about in the previous slide.
FEMTO-ST est un institut de recherche d'envergure internationale, spécialisé dans les domaines des sciences de l'ingénieur, de l'information et de la communication. Situé en région Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, il compte plus de 750 membres et est structuré en 7 départements scientifiques. Le département informatique des systèmes complexes, DISC, traite des sciences informatiques et développe différentes thématiques de recherche.
Différentes intelligences artificielles construisent en collaboration une représentation numérique en 3 dimensions de la tumeur, du rein et de toutes les structures qui avoisinent pour voir de quelle manière toutes ces structures sont envahies par la tumeur et pour mieux planifier l'opération.
L'objectif est d'apporter des capteurs aux sapeurs-pompiers pour améliorer leur sécurité. Il est composé d'une montre intelligente que l'on a reprogrammée pour faire une balisonnement et qui permet de surveiller le pouls, et un deuxième composant constitué d'éléments d'Internet des objets qui permet de transmettre ces informations de la montre vers l'opérateur de base et d'obtenir des informations de géolocalisation. Le projet permettra à terme d'améliorer le quotidien des sapeurs-pompiers lors de leurs interventions.
Nous travaillons sur des enjeux de cybersécurité dans le domaine des systèmes de transport, en particulier aérien et maritime. Il se compose de 2 parties. Une partie qui permet donc de simuler ces attaques ou ces situations, et puis une partie basée sur des techniques d'apprentissage automatique qui permet de détecter donc les anomalies, détecter les fraudes.
La matière programmable consiste à créer de la matière à partir d'un ensemble de robots de taille millimétrique. Ces robots vont être capables de se coller les uns aux autres, de se déplacer les uns par rapport aux autres. L'objectif du projet, c'est d'avoir des objets avec lesquels un utilisateur va pouvoir interagir ou des objets qui vont être tout seuls capables de se reconfigurer.
Okay, so what is FE? So that's 5 domains of research and training, which are listed here: physics, mathematics, and application, smart system and structure, energy, computer science, and material science. This is also 16 master degrees that I will present to you just after, and 7 laboratories, which are known internationally and which has obtained laureate of several excellence programs in France and Europe. In numbers, it's more than 600 researchers, which make actually the Graduate School EFI the biggest research laboratory in France. More than 460 PhD students every year on site. with 1/3 coming from our masters, another third from international. 440 students, master students, among which 60% are international. And thanks to the grant we have obtained from the French government, because of our excellence in research and training, we are able to propose to students some scholarship, incoming and outgoing merit-based scholarship. We are also, thanks to our own budget, financing the research activities. Every year we are financing around 15 PhD scholarship, 10 to 15 postdoctoral contract, and thanks to a budget of around 4 million euros per year. Okay, we help also researchers to obtain grants from the European Union, which is one of the biggest financing structure. And when we take the overall budget of all our research laboratories, this is around a budget of 20 million euros per year. The 5 domains: physics, mathematics, and application. So in that domain, we have 5 master degrees answering to the problems of photonics, photonics, nanotechnology, time and frequency, metrology, complex system, computational physics, but also all the mathematical tools needed to answer those problems, thanks to 2 masters, which is mathematical physics and advanced mathematics. In energy, we have 2 tracks, 2 masters, one in electrical energy, with research activities mainly in the fuel cell systems, thermal energy, with research activities in green buildings, like I present on the previous slides. In computer science, 2 master degrees, software and system engineering, where you work on safety issue on the internet, artificial intelligence also, Internet of Things. So we're working on that, of course, which is a mix between computer science and let's say electronics. The 4th domain is smart system and structure. So control for green mechatronics is one of the master. So that's mechatronics with our energy harvesting solution. Smart mechanics is a classical mechanical engineering master, in which you will work on acoustics problem, structural health monitoring. Smart integrated system is more electrical or electronic engineering, working on embedded system, robotics mainly. VBOT Maya, so it's 2 masters, but with a common track on the first year. And so it's vision for robotic, VBOT, and Maya, that's medical imaging. Okay, and the last domain, material science, so 2 masters, control and durability of materials, where the research activities is done on new materials, like biosourced concrete, for example, and transition metals in molecular chemistry, which is a master that is interdisciplinary, because it's so of course chemical engineering or material science, but also medical health science, because the research which is done is for application in health science. So how do we train students to these interdisciplinary research activities? Well, actually, to do that, we have adapted the schedule of a student, leaving him enough time to interact with researchers, thanks to 1 day immersed in the laboratories. Also, thanks to the participation or the organization of events like internal or external seminars, or participation to conferences. We have also set up a system of mentoring for the students, and so the mentor is helping the student to develop its professional network. And also we help students for their study abroad project by financing some internship abroad or mobility abroad, thanks to the double diploma Erasmus Middle tracks I spoke about previously. Okay, and we also ask the student to be the ambassador of their training by tutoring bachelor students, so helping them through their studies at the bachelor level, and like that we try to make the bridge between undergraduate and graduate training. Okay. On this slide, I'm presenting some scientific outcome and highlights for the last 3 years for EFI, with more than 600 peer-reviewed papers published already in very well-known journals like Nature. And every year we have 3 or 4 highly cited papers, and altogether more than 47% of our papers is published in journal with very high impact factor, the first quartile of the very high impact factor journals. Okay, so our research is fundamentals, but it is also applied, and every year we have many startups which are created by PhD students or researchers also. A lot of patents also, 30 patents from the beginning. So it's really an applied research environment that we propose to students for them to do the innovation of tomorrow, to answer the societal challenge of tomorrow. To finish this presentation of EFI, I wanted to underline a summer school program that we propose, which is in partnership with Campus France. This is what we call a French plus Science program. It lasts 4 weeks. This is in June. We have 2 sessions, one in June, one in January, but the main one is in June. And during those 4 weeks, in the morning, you're going to have French lessons in order to increase your French level. And in the afternoon, you'll have scientific courses presented by our PhD students and presenting actually the state of the art of the research in the 5 domains of the graduate school. So it's really interdisciplinary. It's made for third year or junior student, third year of a bachelor degree, and like that you have this opportunity to see the environment in which we're working, to see also the research facilities that we have, and to discover also the area. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. So if you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me. You have my email on that slide, as well as the website address. Okay, and I think now we're gonna switch to a question and answer session. Thank you.